Welcome to WhiteSands Tampa, located on the west coast of Florida, just east of the metropolitan Tampa Bay area. Our premier treatment center offers a wide range of amenities, including private patient rooms to ensure you feel relaxed and comfortable as you begin your journey of recovery. Whether for yourself or a loved one, this video will explain why WhiteSands is the right choice for you. Take a tour with us and you'll see firsthand what to expect when you arrive and how you'll spend your days during treatment.
For someone who's afraid to come to treatment, I would probably ask them the question, what is 6 weeks for the rest of your life? This experience, in the long run, it's going to be positive and life-changing for you. When the patient first arrives, they're greeted by someone on the admissions staff. They're given an opportunity to call a loved one to let them know that they've arrived safely. Then once they've done that, a staff member will take their luggage and they'll come in and start the admission process, which is a whole comprehensive assessment of their history, background, just getting an idea of why they're here.
When a patient arrives to WhiteSands, they are assessed by our nursing team who specialize in psychiatric and addictions treatment. After the assessment, we provide medications that will help with the detox process. The patient will be seen by the medical provider every day and closely monitored by our nursing team. Keeping our patients comfortable and medically stable is our #1 priority.
This property is unique. It doesn't have the feel of a medical or psychiatric institution. It's a very relaxed, almost resort-like atmosphere. This part of Florida is very good to recover. There's a lot of nature. It's a rural area. We have a lot of activities to do.
WhiteSands Tampa is set up in a resort-like atmosphere. It's a hotel that was essentially the unofficial center of town in Tampa for 30 or 40 years. It's a very large property, so there's a lot of room for patients to walk around, get exercise, move about the property. It doesn't feel like a confined, restricted space. One of the benefits of having a property that we have here is, with the number of rooms that we have, is we are able to offer private bedrooms to patients upon request. Some people prefer to have private bedrooms and be by themselves more, where other patients prefer to be in a dual occupancy room so they can help each other, support each other, share their stories of hope, and help each other through the treatment process.
The patients eat 3 catered meals per day from a local restaurant. We're able to accommodate dietary needs, or if someone is diabetic, we're able to have healthier foods or different things that can just accommodate every patient.
The facility is beautiful in itself. The most appealing, of course, is the swimming pool. And they get to interact with their peers outside the group, building a rapport that will help them in their future endeavors.
At WhiteSands Tampa, patients are encouraged to reconnect with their minds, bodies, and soul with activities designed for fun, physical fitness, and relaxation.
In treatment, you'll be working hard, group therapies, your individual sessions, but as a wellness director, I want you to know that there's still fun that can be had. Some of the therapies that we offer here in the Wellness Center are chiropractor services, massage therapy, yoga, biofeedback sessions, as well as our recreation gym use. So the benefit of having a chiropractor here full-time is she can address with each patient their mobility and their pain that they're having without narcotics. If someone hasn't done yoga and they want to come and try it, we have beginner classes. It's nothing to be afraid of. It's another mechanism that they can learn to use to relax, help calm them. The biofeedback machine is a big bed you lay on, vibrates, it plays along with music. So as the music gets higher, the bed vibrates more. Helps with your muscles. There's some muscle tension work that you can work with on that actually the vibrations help relax you more. We do have a gym that's accessible to the patients once they are done with their detox protocols. And we have everything from a bicycle to free weights to an elliptical, Stairmasters to help encourage them to get active. You do put in a lot of work during the days with your therapy, your groups, your personal sessions, but you also can have fun in doing it. So with the wellness activities and different amenities that we have, we want to show that there's a way that you can still have fun being sober.
We try to individualize it. Each person has a different set of circumstances that contributed to their using. and we need to tailor to that as well as the amount and the type of substances they used.
WhiteSands does not believe in a cookie cutter approach. Every patient is different. They present with different challenges. We are a dual diagnosis center. We treat underlying issues, mental health issues, as well as substance abuse.
We understand here at WhiteSands that the idea of detoxing is very uncomfortable and it is scary. But we are here for you. We believe that you should focus on your detox safely and comfortably so you can focus on your recovery.
A big thing that hinders a lot of people from being able to detoxify themselves at home is the withdrawal symptoms. Whether it's benzodiazepines, alcohol, or opiates, we give a similar but less addictive medication that goes to the same part of the brain, and we slowly withdraw it over 7 to 10 days. That usually makes it so people are more comfortable, they don't have as many cravings for their drug of choice, and they're able to go to group therapy.
Your journey of lifelong sobriety doesn't end when you leave WhiteSands.
Recovery does not end when patients leave treatment. It's only the beginning. So something that we do as a part of that process is we first meet with the patients a few weeks before they're scheduled to discharge to get an idea of what their plans are. And then we meet with them a few days prior to their discharge to set them up with outside resources such as outpatient treatment, individual therapy, psychiatry services. We also give them all of the local meetings in their area. Anything that they're really interested in recovery-wise and something that's going to help set them up for success when they leave.
At WhiteSands, we give you tools for your toolbox. So when you leave, you'll be able to take those tools out and apply them and learn the coping skills while you're here to deal with what's out there.
If I ever think about using again, before I ever pick up, I'll call this place and come straight back here. I've made so many connections here with all the other people here and the staff. It's really hard to leave, but I'm ready to live my life now. I'm ready to go out and take the world on.
All you have to do is just be present in the moment, and you'll soak up a lot of information, and you will finally realize along the way that it was, one of the best decisions you could ever make. WhiteSands has definitely given me the tools that I need to be able to, have my recovery and enjoy my life.
I feel awesome. I feel like $1 million, honestly, because I haven't felt this way in a million years.
I believe that I have unlimited potential, and the future is unlimited for me at 57, and for that I'll be forever grateful that someone had the intestinal fortitude, the wherewithal to come up with a place that I feel like was made specifically for me.
WhiteSands Tampa offers all the tools you need to overcome your addiction, but it's up to you to take the first step. Commit to a stay at WhiteSands and give yourself the gift of lifelong sobriety.
It's really cool to get to see them when they first come in and they're so broken and down and they really don't know what their life is about, and then to see that transformation after the 6 weeks that they've been here. They have so much hope and they feel like they can really do it when they get out of here. They're excited to live their lives now.
What I say to patients anytime that they're struggling, through my experience, is that it's not always easy, but it's always worth it.
Admission specialists are standing by 24 hours a day to take your call.